Big Migs Investing, good morning everybody, and I'm going to tell you exactly why Occidental Petroleum is a buy.
Do your own research, entertainment only.
Hey guys, I found some really good information on big oil, so I'm really excited to tell you this, and I'm going to structure it and show you phase by phase just what Occidental Petroleum is, ExxonMobil, and why these guys are innovating and they're using their innovative kind of environmentally friendly ways to actually make money.
Life as we know it is built on carbon. For over 100 years, we've harnessed hydrocarbons in order to bring about a quality of life humankind has never seen before. But as our planet changes with us, we're entering into a new era, one with new challenges and new understandings. At OXY Low Carbon Ventures, we want to continue building on the progress we've made. We're taking steps right now to secure a more sustainable future, leading the charge for a better tomorrow without the departure from life as we know it today. Through ongoing initiatives to capture carbon, decarbonize electricity, and produce net zero fuels, we are already taking strides to reduce emissions on an industrial scale. At OXY Low Carbon Ventures, we're driven by a commitment to advance the possibilities of now with the practicality of how, and to usher in the next generation of human achievement, bringing balance to a world where we all can continue to thrive.
So historically everybody knows that, they acquired Anadarko. So Occidental Petroleum, Chevron, ConocoPhillips, Exxon, these are some of the biggest oil companies in the USA, and people are racing to acquire Anadarko. When Occidental acquired Anadarko, unfortunately, they spent all the cash they had, they took on loads of debt in order to finance it, and then the pandemic hit. So oil prices went below $37. It was really a crazy time. After that, Jay Powell started printing money, and we thought that, we were going to recover from this pandemic. So we thought, yeah, now's the time. Let's make some moolah. So we started day trading, some of my friends and I was just loading up on Occidental Petroleum, buying, selling, like some sort of chimp, like a little monkey. Then bam, I got greedy as fuck, and oil didn't bounce back as fast as I thought it would. So I got locked in at $24 a share. As you can see from my account here, yep, we are f***ed. So I'm looking at £6,000 plus down at the moment because I bought at such a high price point. So I bought at $24 a share, it's now $10 a share. So I was looking at, should I be pulling my money out of Occidental Petroleum, or is it actually a buy right now? So one of the articles I found out was about Exxon, and Exxon was actually lobbying, and they've been lobbying for a carbon tax for a while now. And I was thinking, why are they trying to lobby for a carbon tax? Surely they're gonna get, fined, or they're gonna be charged this tax. So this is where it gets interesting. So I found this Investor Place article on the carbon tax scenario and how it's gonna create a bullish angle for ExxonMobil. So here it says that their intention, ExxonMobil, is to cause fossil fuel products to go up in price. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna increase the production costs for small fracking companies, effectively pricing them out of the market. So in August, one of these Reuters articles came out, and it said the Occidental-backed company will build new US CO2 removal plant. So Occidental's venture capital arm called OXY Low Carbon Ventures has formed a company with sustainability-focused private equity firm.
First step is a big fan. It pulls air through, it reacts with a chemical and captures 80% of the CO2 out of the air.
So this direct air capture, I thought Occidental Petroleum is basically going to suck the carbon dioxide out of the air and just store it, just for environmental purposes or to look good, But it turns out that this carbon dioxide is actually can be broken down and made into methane, natural gas, and then sold as a fuel. And as you know, the natural gas prices are soaring. We were looking at Stanford researchers creating a new catalyst that can turn carbon dioxide into fuels. These guys basically created a new catalyst that simultaneously strips oxygen molecule off of CO2 and combines it with hydrogen, thus creating CH4, which is methane. And The natural gas, methane, what is it used for? It is a non-renewable hydrocarbon that is used as a source of energy for heating, cooking, electricity generation.
Okay, so here is the proof of what I'm talking about. So here, this is a new method, this is relatively very new, and the professor, Yasushi Sekin, may contribute to reducing the use of fossil fuels and help prevent global warming in the long run. So, what this guy has now done is, he's now found a method to convert carbon dioxide to methane with an electric field at low temperatures. So this new method can produce any amount of methane wherever necessary, because methane is a valuable gas which can be used to generate heat and electricity. So this method involves the reaction of nanoparticles called cerium oxides with carbon dioxide in the presence of ruthenium catalysts with an electric field.
So guys, I think that if Occidental Petroleum, if the oil prices rise and they're able to chip away their debt, I heard currently I think it's the price point at the low 30s that they break even. So if oil can actually go to the 45s or 50s, I think Occidental Petroleum will be very good in the short term for paying back their debt. But also they have other ways that they're going to start creating an income and getting more cash flow in. So selling this natural gas, which is actually going up in price, I think it went up 9% the other day, which was ridiculous in a single day. So imagine that, they've got like so many different lucrative ways for them to be earning money. Obviously they're in a big amount of debt, it's a very high risk play. I'm already heads in, I'm very deep into it already. So do your own due diligence always, make sure you know that I'm not a financial advisor, don't take my word for any of this stuff. I'm just highlighting some points for educational and entertainment value only. So Big Migs, make sure you subscribe for more updates on big oil, workhorse, all these other stocks. Big Migs investing over and out.